I used to call myself a one-dimensional nerd structural engineer who used to look at the problems from one perspective, and only one perspective. My name is Aryan Rad, and I'm an assistant professor at the University of Toronto in Canada. I've been mainly trained in the field of civil engineering, and specifically speaking, structural engineering, and again, in very detail, in timber engineering. My research mission at the University of Toronto is primarily centered around the use of digital fabrication as a fundamental means of construction in structural engineering. What I carry out here as my research mission is to make mass timber construction and digital fabrication a viable and accessible method and knowledge of design within the architecture, engineering, and construction sector. The NCCR basically shaped my research methods and the way that I approach to my research projects here at University of Toronto. I look at engineering-oriented problems with a bit of flavor of architecture, with a bit flavor of digital fabrication, and integrating that within a holistic, unified, integrated framework, where we try to address engineering hardcore challenges, yet with methods, tools, skills, platforms, and frameworks that are derived from geometry processing, digital fabrication, and sequential assembly. Timber is a huge deal in Canada. It is one of the widespread, mostly available natural resource. The advantages that digital fabrication can bring to timber construction is to coming up with high-performance structural systems. My job as a professor of structural engineering and timber engineering is to look at sustainability from the resiliency perspective to how we can build more with less. Less waste, less material, yet high performance, yet coming up with a system that has a very robust load transfer mechanism, digitally fabricated. I wanted to be an NCCR ambassador, and I wanted to somehow foster, promote, reinforce, and scale the use of digital fabrication technology in structural engineering. And the best construction material for that is timber.